back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos. You feel me? We get it down here, freestyle cooking with Streets. Let's get it. Alright? So first I want to say, I apologize y'all for being off the scene for a minute with the videos. Was doing some moving. I'm all settled in, good to go, ready to bring y'all these videos. You feel me? I know y'all probably was wondering like, well, what's up with Streets? Where's the, what's up? I'm here. I'm back. You feel me? So we about to get it in. All right. So on the board, y'all, I got some picanha. That's what we doing, man. Got me these fine pieces of steak, man. Looking real beautiful. And picanha, you probably had picanha if you went to like a steakhouse or something where they put them on skewers and like fold them up like that, and you kind of shave the meat off. Real flavorful cut. Gotta try, man. Go to your butcher. Gotta get it. All right. When we gonna do ours, we gonna grill them. That's the mood I'm in. We gonna throw them on the grill. Real quick, easy recipe, man. Had to like jump back on, share this recipe with y'all, so we can get it popping, man. Let's do it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to get these pieces of meat seasoned up, all right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm trying to make this quick as possible, man. Just wanted to break out the grill, get them grilled. I bought me a Lowry's Signature Steakhouse marinade. You can make your own marinade, a little bit of oil, some seasonings, hook it up any kind you like. You can do a dry rub if you want. But we're just gonna get a bag, you feel me? Get our picanha up in there. Real easy, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you're on the grill, man. This will save us a little bit of time with seasoning. And then, the bottle says it's a 15-minute marinade. So, but anything, the longer you marinate it, the better. Just pour that in there. Alright, use the rest of it because I had used it already on another steak recipe. Should have brought y'all in on that, but my bad. Alright, flip it up. Get it all incorporated. And once you get it all incorporated, you're going to go ahead, put it in the fridge, about 15 minutes. And we're also going to do some veggies. So we got a couple other things we got to do. We got to get our grill ready. And this is what you want to do while your meat is marinating. Alright? Alright, so now I got my coals in the chimney. Getting ready to go. I'm letting them joints fire up and spark up. You dig me? You should use the chimney. It's real easy to light your grill that way. All you do is dump the charcoal in the chimney, light it, let the coals come together. Once they get hot and they're going. You don't want to go to the lighter fluid method. I know some of y'all out there is old school. You want to squirt lighter fluid, but you don't want that lighter fluid taste in this picanha. Feel me? So, all right. So while that's going, we're going to get some veggies. All right. So now I broke out some purple sweet potatoes. You can use any kind of sweet potatoes, but I'm using the purple sweet ones. You see how they look crazy? So when you see them at your farmer's market or grocery, they look crazy like this, but they're banging, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to get them in a pot of water and we're going to parboil these, all right? We don't want them soft, but we want to, get them like a little bit tender so we can prepare them for the grill. All right, y'all. Got my purple potatoes up in the water. Got the heat turned up to high, and we're just going to boil these maybe about 10 minutes. Just to, like on high, get it really popping. And we just want to get them tender enough for the grill, all right? So be careful, y'all. Don't want to cook them. You don't want to boil them too long and they get too soft, all right? All right, y'all. Think my potatoes is ready to come out. I got them. I'm trying to time it together with my charcoals getting lit, which they're just about ready to go, man. Our picanha is definitely marinated, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these up out the pot. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get these up out the pot. Alright. Alright, give them a second to cool off. Let's get these things cut up, y'all. Let's do it! Alright, y'all. I got the grill going. Alright. Take the top off. Alright. Now when you hook up your grill, you want to do 1/2 cold, 1/2 hot. As you can see, I got all my coals on one side flowing, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my picanha on one side and kind of let them smoke a little bit before we really get those good sears on them. Alright, so let's get it on there. Got it nice and marinated. Alright, just like that, y'all. And we want to go ahead, put the top on it, and I'm going to smoke them for about maybe 20 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, now we back inside. We back with our potatoes. We got our picanha smoking on the cool side of the grill for about 25 minutes. Let's get our potatoes prepped. So I'm going to go ahead, cut the ends off. Oh yeah, they're nice and tender. That beautiful color, y'all. Oh my goodness. I got to try these, man. I definitely got to try them. Cut the ends off like that. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Beautiful. Yep. Alright, now you can pretty much cut these any kind of way you want. Or you can follow me. I'm going to cut them in like little strips like that. Ooh. Boom, as you can see, got them cut real easy to these nice like kind of strips, and they real easy to cut through because it's not too soft, but it's soft enough for me to cut through to get these nice pieces. Some pieces are thick, you can make them thick and thin as you want. Got some thick pieces, and even with the ends, I done chopped them up because we're gonna use them too. All right, so I chopped them up. We're gonna use them. Let's get it started. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and season our potatoes up. Got some salt. Oh yeah. Just want to get a little even seasoning over top of your potatoes. Okay. Also going to do some cracked black pepper. Yeah, not a whole lot. That's it. It's enough to get it seasoned on up. I'm going to add some garlic powder. Oh yeah, man, what I'm talking about. And I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. Just give a little pop to it. Alright, and then I'm going to spray these with some avocado oil. Got me some avocado oil. Spray them up real nice. Oh yeah, man. These things is ready for the grill. Alright, got my potatoes to the side, but we ain't done yet, y'all. We still got the veggies popping. Got me some zucchini. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. We're making this real quick barbecue meal. Something special. Right? Oh yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm gonna cut these the same way into like planks. Go right down the side. Yeah, there we go. And if you're having trouble, you can even cut it off on one side. Cut that side off so you can stand it up and slice down. Like that. Oh yeah, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Right? Boom. Got the zucchini cut up, y'all. And like I said, with the pieces, we don't waste them. Got them in the bowl with the purple potatoes, so we're gonna use those, y'all. You know, freestyle cook with streets, man. We don't let nothing go past. Get some salt and pepper up on here. Oh yeah, man, grilled veggies, ain't nothing like it. Ain't nothing like it. Yep, get some pepper on there. Alright. Some garlic powder. And also the cayenne pepper. Same way we did the potatoes. We want everything to be popping. And I'm going to go ahead and spray this up. The avocado oil. Oh man, ready to go. Alright, now let's get these on the grill, y'all. Let's do it. As y'all can see, my picanha is flowing nicely. You know what I mean? We're going to put a real good, nice sear on that. Finish them on out, but we getting them nice and right. Now I want to go ahead and get my potatoes on there. Right on the hot side. And all we're going to do is we're just going to keep turning them, y'all. So while they cooking, we're going to keep turning them because we already parboiled them. They won't take no time at all. Alright, so we handled our purple potatoes real quick because we parboiled them. You know they wasn't going to take that long to cook. But now we're going to get our zucchini on. Just a couple minutes. Just a couple minutes. As y'all can see, I did that first flip. Look at that. Oh yeah, looking real good. Takes no time whatsoever, man. Plus the air hitting is really getting the fire going. Alright. Look at that, y'all. Yes, grilled veggies, nothing like it. Oh yeah, y'all, that's what I'm talking about. Freestyle cooking with streets. Now with our picanha looking all lovely, as you can see, look at that. We're gonna get a nice good sear on that. Yeah, put them on the hot side. We're gonna sear for a couple minutes on each side. Oh yeah, y'all see it popping? Look at that, we got a nice good char on that. Oh yeah, the picanha gonna come out nice. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. That. I like it with the char. Look at that, y'all. Alright, as you can see, I got some wings on there, y'all. You know, I had to throw some little extra on there, man. Can't let this fire go to waste, you feel me? Boom, we on point. Look at that, man. Look at the purple potatoes. Nice and grilled. Got them good char marks on there. That's when you know you grilling, man. You know what I'm saying? You see that black, oh yeah. But that's the flavor you want, man. So all y'all out there using that lighter fluid, man, can't do it, man. Stick with the fire. Oh yeah. Alright? And I got my picanha resting, so whenever you do your meat, always rest your meat. Alright? But we not finished, y'all. This freestyle cooking with streets, man. Alright, while our picanha is resting, we got our veggies all done up. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm using the extra. Let's do it. Boom. Alright, let's go. I told y'all I wasn't done. Look what I got for y'all. I got some shrimp and mushrooms, man. Now we're gonna do a whole little medley with that. Alright, so let's get the seasoning on up. I'm gonna do some salt on my potatoes and zucchini. A little bit of salt on my shrimp and mushrooms. We're gonna do like pepper, just a little bit, man, because we're gonna mix everything together. And we're gonna do it on the grill. Some garlic powder. Also got me some seafood seasoning. You can use Old Bay, whatever you like. We'll get that on upon our shrimp and mushrooms. And that's it, y'all. That's it. That's all, man. We're gonna mix it up with our hand. That's it. We just want to keep this season real easy because our dish is already popping. Alright, now I get my grate that I used to cook my veggies in. We're going to spray this up real good. There we go, y'all. I got the grate sprayed up. Everything in there. You know what I mean? And I'm going to get this on the grill. It's going to take no time, man. As soon as the shrimp turn pink, we're ready to go because our potatoes and zucchinis are already good to go because it was parboiled. Our zucchini takes no time. Cook with the shrimp. And I'll be back at y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. Got the grub off the grill. Ready to get this plated on up, man. We at the finish line, y'all. Feel me? Had to bring this to y'all. Let's get it, man. We here. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. There we go. We got the finished product. We got the picanha. We got the shrimp and the purple potatoes, the zucchini, the veggies. Everything's popping, man. Off the grill. So you already know what it is, man. Please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest videos. Let me know if y'all tried this, man. Break y'all grills out. You already know what it is. Ah.